Hey, 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 everybody! Welcome, and thank you for tuning in. We're back at Port Macquarie. It has been 2 months since I've hit the track, and that is 2 months too long. Fortunately, cutting down on racing a little bit, but it is where it is. At least I can still get to the track and have a great time and just do laps and race. That's literally all I want. I'd love to be competitive as well, but hey, look, we can't ask for everything. It was a beautiful day racing. Had some decent pace, had some nice, awesome, fun racing. Like those great battles in this heat. Or sorry, not this heat. Well, a little bit in this heat, but in this whole round, there was just some amazing battles. Like literally wheel to wheel without any aggression and what's the word, intention of hitting you off. Like the battling was great. I absolutely loved it. Loved the whole racing weekend. Unfortunately, heats 3 and final, something happened to my engine in heat 3. I don't know, it may not have been the engine, something might have just been not right, but something was playing up. The engine was bogging down. I don't know if something was seizing or if something was rubbing. It kind of corrected itself halfway through heat 3, but it just, every time I went too low of a rev, it would just bog and it would just, it's literally just killing itself. Heat 4, I cleaned a few things, I changed a few things, I looked at a few things, and it corrected itself, but there was just the gearing. Even though the gearing had changed, the gearing, like the revs was still way too low, so something wasn't quite right. In saying that, I just made me work a lot harder in heats 3 and finals. I still kept my podium position, which I was happy. That's probably a bit of a spoiler alert, but you still have to watch all the videos, so you have to watch all the videos from start to finish because they are amazing. But spoiler alert, I did get a podium. I'm not going to say what podium it was. I fought very hard in the finals to keep that podium position because just my pace, like I lost 5 tenths from heat 2, my fastest lap, to the finals. I lost like 5-6 tenths, and my driving hadn't changed. Not much setup had changed either. It was just something just wasn't right, and I didn't know what it was. But obviously we had to do another lap around. Our formation was a little bit fast, but please watch it all, like, subscribe, share, and definitely enjoy the racing.